Hello everyone. So in today's session we're going to still learn the uppercase letters, but this one is completely different from what we learned over the days. Last 4 or 5 days we've been learning about the loops, the half loops, and in today's class we're going to learn about a letter that uses the upper zone, the middle zone, but no loops. Okay, we did already learn about the letter D. Since it starts with the middle zone, we are not going to form with a loop. But now we have another letter that uses the middle zone and the upper zone, but without a loop, and that's the letter T. This time I'm going to take a lot of time teaching you how to do this letter. Okay, so I'm going to divide this section into two. One is going to be the letter T, and then the stem. Let's learn about each. So first, let's start with the letter T. You're going to bring it up till here. Do not touch the red line on top. This letter is going to be shorter than the rest of the uppercase letters. Do not touch it because I don't want you all to be like floating in your dreaming world. Bring it down and leave a small triangle, but not a big one. Okay, avoid doing this, or I see people doing this too. That's not going to create a beautiful appearance. So let's first practice this letter with a small triangle at the base, line that goes up, retrace it back to the baseline. Take your time in doing this. It's okay even if your hand shivers a little bit, but try getting the straight line. Okay, so once that's over, let's talk about the placement of T. Will you be okay if I do a T like that? It's going to disturb the H that you write next to it. So write the letter T with a small hyphen here and not on the blue line. Okay, and the reason is, let's set a goal beyond the things that's already discovered. This is like the normal zone, like what we already do. So already this is the reality phase. Okay, the middle zone is like the current, the present, the reality, something that everybody can do. Let's not stick to something that people already. Let's think about things that are not yet discovered. Let's create new things. So this is the imagination zone. You need a little bit of thinking. Let your goals be high. Okay, retrace it to the bottom and place your T bar over here. And this T bar, make sure it's not like this. See, can you see this part is like, it's like kind of lazy. It's like you're going backward. Now let's put the T like this. Oh, I made a mistake. That's wrong. Let's practice T again. Bring it back to the bottom. That's like you're in a hurry and you're rushing things. Okay, so do not leave a long T bar that goes forward or backward. Try to balance this because this is your practice. While practicing, take time and do it properly. We still have a lot of things to avoid. There are a lot of things to avoid while writing T. So let the base be the same. Now the letter T, bring it up to the bottom and not like this or not like this, neither like this. Doesn't even touch the T. So take your time and draw a T bar consciously. Sometime it may go down, sometime it may go top. Avoid all that. Just take your notebook, your previous practice books, or any classworks or any workbooks that you have done. Check whether you have written T properly. So when you write the T, oops, I'm making a mistake again. Writing in paper is completely different from writing in a tab. So I take some time because it's new to me. T H E. Can you see that? The T bar doesn't hit the letter H. Okay, so the letter T. Just focus and correct your T's now. Take your time and practice this. See you in tomorrow's class. Bye bye.